We weren't even supposed to get snow here.
No.
It's the center of the state. It was supposed to get all the snow. So the fact that we got some means that the further west we get, it's going to get bad, I feel like.
Yeah, this is great.
After way too much driving and way too much Mexican food, it is time to go to bed bright and early in the morning. We are going to drive over to Cormorant, see the CBoys. So we need our beauty sleep. We'll see you guys in the morning.
What up, dude?
I'm scared to park. Where can I go that Ken's not going to pierce my nipples?
Nowhere's safe, honestly. I think your best bet's probably right there, but no promises. We're done with pierced nipples. We're on to tattoos.
Shit, I could use a few more.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if you'd want us picking them, though.
That's fair. That's fair.
No, you're good right there.
All right. So it's 80 by us.
Yep.
Right? Center of the state got 2 feet of snow. So we had to drive through that shit. And then we come out at the border and it was like 50 again. I panicked when they came in.
Yeah.
I think they ordered the wrong wheels. Like, I double checked twice just to make sure. I was like, make sure he ordered red wheels. But
Nope. Oh, and then you remembered, nope, they are just that stupid.
Baby.
We started out, we texted Banker asking if I could get wheels, and he was like, well, do you want to do a bunch of other things? I was like, yeah, of course I want to do a bunch of other things. Sweet. All right, pull it in. I tried toasting the wheels off, and about 15 seconds in, I was like, I wonder if I'm getting like everything that's white just covered in wheels. Sure enough.
What the hell did you do to your run for?
I was gonna say the same thing. It's close.
What did you?
I think you got it.
Fixed it. All right, first mod done.
All right, you want to unbox your bumpers?
Powder coat. Let's see how close I got with the powder coat match. Dang.
So good. Yeah, that's about as close as you can get without having the truck actually there to powder coat it.
Oh yeah.
All right, and then back bumper.
Wow. Dang, front and back.
It's gonna be one white truck. That was the goal. Stormtroopers. Hey, Banker. Yes, sir. You got the light bars too?
No.
No? Now that looks sick. Yeah, that's a really good look right there. I don't even need a bumper.
No. So we got Ben's Raptor here. We're doing some front ADD bumpers. We got those powder coated to match. Shout out Chris, Southern style. Over here we also have Flowmaster exhaust for this thing. An AFE intake, trying to make this little V6 actually sound decent. And we got a matching rear ADD bumper, again, powder coated by Chris. Oh, and we got some bright red wheels because Ben wanted to be cool. So, look, he's even got the red shoes on.
Shoes to match. Look at that. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Banker, when the wheels came in, Banker called and goes, did you mean to order red? I was like, should I not have? So we'll see how it looks.
Dude, I was pumped when I walked in. That was the first thing. I was like, yes, he went red.
My thing was like, you see so many white Raptors. That's why I wanted to paint match the fenders, just because that makes it look a little bit different. But there might be a reason nobody goes red.
Dude, it's gonna look good. And these are the KB special.
Yeah.
Definitely get this.
Oh, I'm getting it.
Get Ben cutting his leg on.
All right, watch out. I might shoot some rubber at your way.
Okay.
Dale, no power tools.
Well, I was just gonna say that. I was like, you're pretty lucky because we don't let him use power tools when we do projects, but since this is yours and Banker's project, you're free to go.
Mike, get out of here. You're embarrassing me.
I literally asked him, who's gonna be the most competent with this? He's, I can do it.
Oh yeah, actually though, it's probably fine.
Probably.
Wow.
Boom. Cold air intake.
Cold air intake.
Right? Something like that?
Something just like that.
Feels loose. You need pliers?
Yeah.
Either get good help or cheap help. You're paying me nothing for this, so.
Can't get both though. Is he gonna fit? Oh yeah, it'll fit. So banker gets here, we unwrap everything. I go, sweet, where's the light bars? He goes, I thought you were ordering them. I was like, I thought you were ordering them. So we have a fix. It's a $100 L&M Fleet light bar. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Banker, I'm sorry, dude. This proper build, trying not to cut corners, and then I pull through and do that. That's my addition to the build.
That looks way better.
Yeah. Oh shit.
You got Dad looking at your work now.
Oh shit. I'll step back.
Alright.
How you do it?
That's how you do it.
What do you think, Ev?
She's a beaut.
Just don't look too close at that light bar. Might fall in love.
You did pretty solid on the matching.
Yeah, it does look pretty good.
If this skid plate bolt breaks, I'm not gonna be super surprised.
So no hitting rainbow rails then?
I mean, hit it.
So bad. So bad. Banker, you have to pick one vehicle out of the entire parking lot or inside, but you have to daily it.
Daily it?
Yeah, you have to daily it. Which one you taking? You could take the Lambo, GTR, the Raptor, Ryan's Hummer, if you're stupid.
I'm taking the Ram.
The Ram?
That's what I figured.
Yeah, that's probably a safe bet. I was thinking that you were maybe going to say the Ford Ranger.
No,
Oh god.
I love the Ranger. It's my favorite vehicle, but I would not daily.
Horrible daily.
It would not be a daily.
This is our pride and joy. This is a Ford Ranger that we dually converted. And by dually converted, I mostly mean we just got dually adapters put in the back, and then we made homemade fenders out of a trailer fender.
These are the best trailer dually fenders I've ever seen. There's so much effort.
Dude.
Like, there's more effort than you guys normally put in.
I know, dude, right? We were so proud of this thing. It's probably one of our favorite vehicles.
I love it.
This is a sad sight. Now you're getting to like the part of the yard we don't show.
I was expecting this car to be in a lot worse shape than it is. Like,
What are you talking? This is in terrible shape.
this?
This is a rust-free Mustang. Yeah. Debatable. We have most of the rust covered up with spray paint. All right, let's hit some shit.
From this.
Should do the trick, huh, Banker?
Yeah, go from 2 mufflers to like a quarter roll-on.
If that. That's so sick.
Clean.
That's so sick. It's coming together. All right, last step, wheels.
That's what the Chevy looks like. I'm legitimately saying, like, if this were my truck, I would have ordered the exact same wheels as you.
Thanks, Mike.
So that's why
That makes me feel a lot better. Thank you, Mike.
Yeah.
So sick. That's all she wrote.
Let's go.
All right guys, so obviously we got everything installed. Let's take a little run through, show you everything we got done. So right up front, ADD Stealth Fighter bumpers, color matched, dirty white to match the truck. The Fleet Store special Blazer light bar in there.
Yeah, $100 light bar. It's gonna do the job till the other one comes in.
Nothing but the best for the CBoys. Under the hood, we got AFE threw in their XP Momentum cold air intake. So this has got the twin tube with the dry filter on it, enclosed air box here. This should net you a little bit of power actually.
Yeah, and it's gonna sound amazing.
It's gonna sound way better. What's also gonna make it sound better is the Flowmaster exhaust. Up underneath there, we've got the new FX system from Flowmaster. This is gonna be duals all the way back off the turbos. It reuses the factory downpipes with the cats and everything.
About as loud as you can go.
About as loud as you can legally make this thing.
It's gonna be loud.
Another ADD Stealth Fighter bumper, color matched with the dollar store cubes in it for reverse lights.
Yep, nothing but the best.
Yeah, so it's got a leveling kit in it on the factory Fox 3.0s. We wrapped it up with some 17 by 8.5 fuel blocks. So these are the Ken block specials in memory of the man himself. Candy red finish, something a little bit different for you guys.
It's a little bit different. Never done this color combo, but it's cool. I mean, you're never gonna like drive down the road and see a white Raptor with red wheels.
Wrapped in some 35 12.5 Nitto trail graphs. Overall, this thing's dope. It turned out sick. I like it. You like it?
I love it.
All right, let's see what the rest of the CBoys think.
Oh boy. So I'm curious, Ken, what do you think?
You know, you said it yourself. It's definitely different.
Ryan, come on, Ryan.
I don't have any opinions of my own, but Tint just whispered in my ear and goes, "Looks like shit."
I think it's sick.
It's a look.
No, it's different. It's cool. For somebody.
Hey man, I'm real sorry.
Someone's got to be a little flashy.
Don't
right?
take it
Yeah.
personal. It's not you, it's him.
But I think it looks pretty decent. Shout out to Custom Offsets for coming through. Seriously, we've been working with them for like 5 years.
5 years.
All of our trucks have been built by them. Pretty much any vehicle in the fleet has wheels from them or Fitment Industries. And yeah, they've been really good to us. So if you guys need wheels or anything else for your truck, hit up Custom Offsets. Also, when you do buy something, say that we sent you.